to our channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a DIY pencil holder stand using a very few items. So the things you require are sketch pens, few stickers, and sticker videos is coming very soon, so stay tuned. And some color paper, blue or red, of your choice also you can take, scissors, knife, glue, and a can of bottle like any like drink you drink like Maza or fruity, anything you want. Like I took Maza over here, so it's your choice. So let's start. So first you need to take your Maza bottle, and before that you need to keep all this stuff aside. Only take the knife and the Maza over here, and then you need to cut it with the help of the knife, and make sure you do this in with the supervision of your parents. So guys, I'm likely cutting it and done. And now we need the help of scissors because we want this to be a neat and clean surface, and you can wash inside because if you find any juice or anything. So let's cut it, and do this also with the help of your parents in their supervision, like this. Here, like this. You need to cut it on all these sides. So guys, I have cut it very neatly. Take the wrappers in the side. So guys, see this, I have cut it so neatly. Inside it's gray. So now it's the time for color papers. So bring your color papers. I'm like covering two sides with red and two sides with blue. So you need to cover it like this and like this. And then you need to stick glue on that. So here is the glue. Keep the glue over here and over here, and then stick it up like that. Done. And now we need blue also. Do the same for blue, like this, and cut the excessive part. So guys, I have done it, so it's like this. And then you can now paste some stickers. So here is one of my stickers, so let's stick it. Like you can stick with glue or with double-sided tape. So I'm sticking with glue like this. And now you can stick it on all the sides like I did. And now guys, you need your sketch pen. So you can take any color that you want. So I want pink, so I'm using pink. And now you can turn on the bright side, blue. So blue looks bright. So now you need to take a marker and you need to write my DIY pencil holder, and you can draw like star or heart like that. So see this guys, it's like this. And if you want, you can cover over here also if you want. I don't want it now. If I will want, I can do it. And don't forget to close the cap of the sketch pen. So guys, now our pencil stand is ready. Like we can like keep all the sketch pens like this, everything. But we need to now decorate it. So it's very easy. And you might even need a pencil in this, or you can do the drawing part with the sketch pens only. Now you need to grab another color paper or white paper, and in that we are gonna draw a butterfly like. So guys, now you need to draw the butterfly. So let's start. I'm doing it like this. You can do on your own color paper, or if for decorating you can do anything else also, but I would prefer this butterfly. You can use like anything animal or insect that you like. In insects I like butterfly, so I'm doing butterfly. Now the butterfly is ready. Grab your scissors and now cut it off. And guys, please don't unsubscribe my channel. I really love you all my subscribers. And why do you unsubscribe my channel if you are not the person who is winning? I'm sure that you will win also a giveaway in future. So don't worry. So don't unsubscribe, please. I really love you all. Thanks for supporting me. You really mean a lot to me. So guys, now I am done with the cutting the butterfly like figure, outline figure. And now you need to take a box, pencil holder, and you need to like stick it over here. So grab your glue. Paste it over here like glue. And make sure the part where you are sticking there You shouldn't keep your sticker. It will be better then. And now just paste it. And so this is it ready. This pencil's done, and now we'll decorate these petals. So in this, grab your sketch pens once again. So I would take 3 colors: blue, red and pink. So I'm gonna decorate it. You also can decorate it with your choice. So guys, now it's the time we draw. So take red, you can do of your choice. And now here in the side, over here, over here, and over here, over here, over here. You can even draw on the back if you want. And now we'll decorate it. This thing. Isn't it wonderful? I just love it. And now you can draw here in the side some line with the help of pink color. Okay. I don't know guys if it will come out good or bad, but I don't know. You just comment me in the comments box if it looks good to you, the one which I made. And now you can cut these outline parts. I'm gonna cut it. So guys, I've cut it, and now I don't know how does it look, what does it look. It just looks so awkward to me. That is it even a butterfly or what. So I don't know if what does it look. So do comment me in the comments box. What does this look to you? This weirdo looking animal. This looks like a monster to me. So now we are going to try it. Let's keep our markers for the first place. Wow, 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 wow. I just love it. See, it can hold it very well also. See this guys. So for more amazing and good looking videos, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share this video with others. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.